Exercise 2-4 latch clip. We're going to create this latch clip using Solidworks. So I've already started my Solidworks. I've got the units set for inches. I'm going to go to Sketch, and I'm going to start a sketch on the front plane. I'm going to take a look at my drawing. It's 6.5 inches by 4 inches, and it's a symmetrical part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw half of it, and I'll start by drawing a center line down the middle, and then I think I'll take it from here and move it down like that. I think I'll even put the origin right there as well. Start with my center line, and we'll just drive that down. Hit escape. Now this should be a center line. I guess it doesn't look like it is, so I'm going to change it to for construction. And then as I look at this print, I'm going to do half of this unit, so I'll do 3 1/4 and then 1 inch. Hover to acquire the endpoint. Okay, so that's half the part, and apparently I need to add this other part here, so let me go and fix that up. There we go. And then we'll mirror that about our construction line. And then we'll start to define that with smart dimensions. You can pan and zoom by turning the wheel on the mouse or holding shift and pressing the middle mouse wheel. Since we mirrored it, what's nice is that it keeps these symmetrical relations for us. And that one's not going to work for us since it's already got this dimension right here. As well as that one since they're symmetrical. Okay, so everything has been drawn, everything is fully defined. If we take a look at this, it's going to tell us the dimension for the thickness is 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and we're going to extrude that 0.25. I'm going to reverse it. Green check mark. Let's make a color. And we'll save that as exercise 4. And that completes this exercise.